cucumber, apple, ginger, calamansi juice. Then we're going to add water. Then cover it. Then i-press lang natin. So ito na guys, no. Buksan na natin. Na manisa tsura yo. Na manisang sulod ya. So imno naton. We'll be drinking sang ging blender ko nga apple, cucumber, ka ginger. Delicious. Kanamit.